Prime industrial factory for sale, RM 130 million. Location, Bandar Kajang, Kajang, Malaysia. Built-up area: 158,130 square foot, land size, 9.98 acres, freehold. Title, industrial, lot type, corner, maximized accessibility. Key features: one of the largest and best located factories in a thriving industrial hotspot. High power supply, 3000 amp, ready for heavy manufacturing and industrial operations. Spacious design, impressive 55-foot ceiling height, ideal for large-scale machinery and warehousing. Premium infrastructure, equipped with overhead cranes and advanced ventilation systems for seamless operations. Freehold tenure, secure long-term investment with full ownership rights. Why invest here? Strategic location, situated in Bandar Kajang, a rapidly growing industrial hub with excellent connectivity to major highways and ports. Turnkey ready, move in and start operations immediately with existing high-capacity facilities. High growth potential, ideal for logistics, manufacturing, or large-scale industrial use in a high-demand area. Perfect for large manufacturers, logistics firms, industrial investors, and multinational corporations looking for a premium, high-capacity facility in Malaysia. Contact us today for viewing and investment opportunities. Sonny at sonnycock2@email.com. Or hand phone +6016 218 7571. Owner is welcome to list.